In this video, Michael Jordan's incredible life is examined, including both his illustrious career as a basketball player and the groundbreaking route he created as a prosperous businessman. Jordan's influence on sports and business have cemented his place as a true legend, inspiring future generations. This is evident in his towering slam dunks on the basketball court, as well as his groundbreaking ventures into enterprise. Let's investigate his opulent lifestyle. MJ's income is derived from many different aspects of his NBA career. Michael Jordan's affiliation with Nike is one of the most notable features of his business endeavors. Jordan signed a historic endorsement contract with Nike in 1984, which sparked the development of the enduring Air Jordan shoe line. The sports shoe market was completely transformed by the Air Jordan brand, which also changed the way athletes are promoted. This series of sneakers is still one of the most sought-after collections worldwide and is still very popular. The long-lasting success of the business and Jordan's financial well-being are directly related to his engagement in the creation and marketing of his signature shoes. In addition to his relationship with Nike, Jordan has signed endorsement agreements for many other well-known companies, including Gatorade, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, and Heinz. These collaborations have increased his earnings even further and strengthened his reputation as a recognized sports hero and marketable celebrity. Jordan has ventured into the ownership and investment industries in addition to his endorsement agreements. He is the NBA team's chairman and primary owner of the Charlotte Hornets, but unfortunately, it was reported that he is finalizing a deal to sell the majority ownership of the team. In addition to giving him a consistent income from the team's operations, owning the team gives him a tremendous amount of power in the professional basketball industry. Jordan's management and decision-making as an owner have been crucial to the growth and success of the company. There is no shortage of his private palaces. His luxurious home in Highland Park, Illinois is among the most well-known examples of his extravagant lifestyle. This expansive estate offers a window to the world of luxury real estate, where wealthy and famous people indulge in their cravings for splendor, solitude, and exclusivity. The 56,000 square foot Jordan estate, also known as the Legend Point, it has been advertised for more than 10 years at a price of $14.9 million. The estate has a full-size basketball court, a tennis court, a putting green, and a lovely lake. It is situated on more than 7 acres of land. The mansion's interior is a work of art with amazing details and rich finishes everywhere. Every part of the home oozes elegance and refinement, from the grand entrance to the high ceilings and wide windows that let in natural light. Luxurious materials, unique craftsmanship, and priceless furnishings create a lavish and cozy atmosphere. The home also has a sizable entertainment complex with a sports pattern where Jordan's legendary career's memorabilia is proudly displayed. This special area honors his contributions to basketball and displays his immeasurable influence on the game. Jordan still has a few additional properties, several of which are in Jupiter, Florida, where he currently resides. This 28,000 square foot estate has a full-sized basketball court, 6 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, a cigar lounge, and more. According to reports, Jordan paid $12.8 million for the home and an additional $20 million for renovations. Additionally, there are mansions in Park City, Utah, as well as in Cornelius and Charlotte, all in North Carolina, which also cost over $35 million in total. We're still halfway through the video, and we still have a lot to discuss in the next few minutes. So while waiting, why don't you hit the subscribe button first and the bell button so you'll never miss any updates on our future content. Following our previous conversation, he has a sizable collection of automobiles. Over the years, Jordan has acquired a wide range of automobiles, including some of the most luxurious and powerful models available. This features the beautiful Grand Tourer Aston Martin DB9 Volantene, which embodies both beauty and performance. The DB9 Volantene is a representation of power and sophistication that perfectly matches Jordan's style. From 2004 to 2006, Aston Martin built it. It is based on the Aston Martin DB9 Cube and has an easily open or closed folding fabric roof that takes just 17 seconds. It is propelled by a 6-liter V12 engine that generates 443 pound-foot of torque and 470 horsepower. It can be combined with either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. It has a top speed of 183 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. It has a navigation system, heated and ventilated seats, a premium sound system, and a leather interior. The Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren 722 Edition, a limited edition supercar built from 2006 to 2009, has a unique place in his collection of high-end vehicles. Jordan 722 Edition boasts a top speed of 217 miles per hour and is decorated in silver with red accents. It features a carbon fiber body, eye-catching gull wing doors, and a potent V8 engine that Mercedes-Benz and McLaren jointly developed. A customized 2006 Ford GT, a Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, a Ferrari 512 TR, a Ferrari 512M, a Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG, a Porsche 911 Turbo, and one of the limited edition Bugatti Veyron Sang-Noirs. Jordan's love for vehicles extends beyond merely owning them, despite the fact that his collection is unquestionably spectacular. Michael Jordan Motorsports, his own motorcycle racing team that participates in different motorcycle racing competitions, was founded after he became actively involved in motorsports. We were going to finish up by discussing how MJ included charitable work in his lifestyle. The James R. Jordan Foundation, established by Michael Jordan in memory of his late father, is among the noteworthy projects he has led. The charity is committed to helping communities and youth who are underserved by education. It offers scholarships, mentoring programs, and after-school activities through collaborations with various groups, aiming to help kids and teenagers reach their full potential. Jordan's involvement with the Make-A-Wish Foundation is among his most prominent charitable activities. Jordan has been a strong supporter of the charity and has granted hundreds of wishes to kids with terminal illnesses. Jordan made the single largest donation to the Make-A-Wish Foundation in 2023 when he gave $10 million to the charity. He has also contributed to a variety of other charitable organizations such as the American Red Cross, the Boys and Girls Clubs of America, and the United Negro College Fund. Additionally, he started his own foundation, the Michael Jordan Foundation, which provides funding for initiatives that encourage community involvement, youth development, and education. He has given the Boys and Girls Club of America millions of dollars and serves as their national spokesperson. For millions of kids around the US, it offers after-school programs and other services. Jordan has utilized his platform to promote vital causes in addition to making financial contributions. He stood against racism and violence and urged young people to continue their education and avoid drugs. Millions of people throughout the world look up to Jordan as a role model, and his charitable work inspires us all. Michael Jordan's current net worth is currently estimated at $2 billion, according to Forbes. He is a great example of an athlete, a businessman, and a luxury lifestyle that everybody could dream of. Well, that's a wrap for the luxury lifestyle of Michael Jordan. If you learned something, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. This is Luxify.